a place to relax and unwind. Take a stroll or take the kids for playtime. It's the Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios, being managed by the St. Anne Development Company, SADCO, a subsidiary of the Urban Development Corporation, UDC. At this time of year, when the festive season is high, the use of the park increases. And so for the past 14 years, the SADCO team put their magical touch on the park to stimulate the excitement of patrons. Stringed with lights and anticipation building, every December the park is transformed into a luminous garden.
It's a beautiful sight to behold. We have the opportunity and the pleasure of bringing the St. Anne community together in a way that ushers in Christmas every year.
I feel like it's really Christmassy, and Christmas is all about this.
The UDC is indeed proud of the continued excellent work of our subsidiary and recognizes the critical role that their initiatives play in fostering greater community relations and love and joy that this event brings at Christmas.
The work that is done here is of an extremely high standard. It has become an integral part of the community and people look forward to it happening.
The lighting of the Christmas tree sends a tone that it's the beginning of the Christmas season.
This social upliftment initiative is part of other major developments by the UDC and SADCO in the parish.
We've been working on projects in collaboration with our partners out by the cruise ship pier and along Turtle River Road. And this year we have completed the promenade along Ocho Rios Bay Beach.
The lighting of the Turtle River Park is to encourage and foster that community spirit in St. Anne. With children being a major focus, they were feted, took pictures with Santa and entertained by their peers.
When you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God. Mary, did you know?
The Urban Development Corporation and the St. Anne Development Company will again light up Ocho Rios with fireworks on December 31.
If you thought last year was good, it was sold out, this year it can be a bumper crop because the fireworks this year is going to be bigger and better.
Downtown Kingston will also come alive on Monday, December 31, with the spectacular staging of fireworks on the waterfront.
I'm speechless right now. It was good and it feels so nice.
The event has gotten bigger and better every year since it started in 1999, and the UDC promises a blast for the 2018 staging as it gets ready to close out its 50th Golden Anniversary celebrations. Fireworks on the waterfront is part of the UDC's vision for the redevelopment of downtown Kingston, to establish the area as a commercial, entertainment and cultural district. The event starts as early as 3 p.m. and offers something for the entire family. There's the Kiddies Fun Village, the Vending Village. Then at 6 p.m. is the street party, followed by the highly anticipated stage show at 9 p.m. Here's a recap from last year. An awesome feeling, whether enjoying it from front row or in the general audience. So don't be left out of the fun and excitement this New Year's Eve, December 31, for an amazing fireworks on the waterfront. The Urban Development Corporation, making a difference downtown through the facilitation of commerce and family entertainment. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.
Making development happen.